If you clicked on this episode, then chances are you've been going through a difficult time with lots of challenges and lessons. But I have good news for you. You are entering your winning season and you are charging towards your dream life. And in this turbulent but exciting time, there are a few things that God wants you to know. The first thing that God wants you to know is that you should take messy action. You need to stop being a perfectionist. Because perfectionism is the same as procrastination. There are 3 phases of procrastination. One is perfectionism. For example, I'll just tweak one more thing. Analysis paralysis, aka I need every detail to be perfect. And thirdly is mind chatter. What if people judge me? So why is it important that you take messy action towards your dream life? Well, small imperfect steps done consistently multiply into big results. I call this the action compound effect. Imperfect action times consistency. Years ago, I wanted to launch this dropshipping store where I would sell spiritual goods. And I kept tweaking the fonts and the product descriptions and the website for months. And I never actually ended up launching this site. I was such a perfectionist, and looking back, I was just scared of fear of failure. And looking back, that was perfectionism disguised as procrastination. I was scared of getting to the hard work, or I'd launch it and there would be crickets, nobody would buy anything. So now in my business, I try to take more messy action, and I can always tweak things later. Every expert from Tom Ferriss to James Clear emphasizes rapid iteration over endless tweaking. So my action item to you for this point is to write down 1 imperfect action that you can take towards your dream life today or tomorrow. If you're doing it tomorrow, then write it down already today so that your brain cannot talk you out of it in the morning. If you're doing it tomorrow, then do it first thing before your morning brain talks you out of doing it. And let me know in the comment what that messy action is for you, whether that is to create the outline on your first book, try out Meatless Monday if you want to switch to vegetarianism, or maybe go for a run tomorrow if your dream is to complete a marathon. The second thing that God wants you to know as you are stepping into your winning season is to still your mind. This is going to be important now because when I have been approaching my winning season, I've gotten so much guidance from the universe in the form of angel numbers, spirit animals, hearing like a line in the movie that is exactly something that I just talked about, something in my dream life that I want to come true. So you want to be able to catch those signs. Also, when the mind is quiet, you hear the whispers of your soul, your true north showing you exactly what to do next. My monkey mind used to dictate my whole life. I was always trying to fit in at school. I hustled to get a job at Google because that is what I thought society valued, right? Like that is the so-called dream job. But one day I went on a 10-day silent retreat in Malaysia, a Vipassana retreat. And for the first time, my monkey mind shut up. That monkey was no longer yapping. And I was so present, more present than I've ever been before. And from that moment on, my mind has been so clear. It's not as clear as it was just after the retreat, but now that I do meditation daily, it's like dusting off like the soul, so I can hear the soul's guidance more. And very quickly afterwards, I got the inspiration to start the Spirit Nomad, which is this business. A year later, I met the one, and we've been together for 6 years now. And we moved to the British countryside, living my dream life. So my action item for you is to meditate for at least 5 minutes every day, preferably in the morning, so it impacts the rest of your day. Neuroscience studies from Harvard and Yale shows that just 5 minutes of daily meditation reduces chatter and increases clarity. You are built for greatness. So stop waiting for perfect conditions, step into your power today and watch the universe conspire in your favor. And if you want deeper strategies on how to align with your purpose, then check out my video on best spiritual business models. Love you so much and see you in the next episode.